everyone, the Shady Thrifter here. I just came on today to talk about this hair that I'm rocking. So this hair is a crochet wig that I created using the Freetress Water Wave hair in 12 inches and also the Lulutress Water Wave hair in 12 inches. And the reason why I use two different types of hair to achieve this style, it was not on purpose. So I actually have a stash of hair. I am a beautician. If you did not know, I'm a beautician by day. I run a business here in Virginia, and I have a whole bunch of hair that I have all the time. I'm always thinking of new creative ways to do things as an artist. And so I end up with all this leftover hair. And this hair I had left over, like I said, was the Freetress brand. And the name is Jazz Water and Lulutress Water Wave. And what I noticed about these two different hairs is not much. The Freetress is a much tighter, defined curl, and the Lulutress Water Wave is very similar, but it's a softer curl. It's just like the Jazz Water, but it's a little softer and easier to pull apart, whereas Freetress is very coily, and both are equally beautiful. So that's why they were able to, and if you can see, you can barely see the difference. If you want to see how I created this style, just keep watching. much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.